Hi, welcome to IMMA'S kitchen. Today we are going to be making roasted red pepper soup and garlic toast. First, we will remove the seeds and dice 4 red peppers. Next, we will peel and dice 2 medium-sized carrots and 2 medium-sized potatoes. After all your vegetables are chopped, place them into a bowl and add 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon salt, and 1/4 of a cup of olive oil. Mix your vegetables thoroughly so they are completely covered in the seasoning and oil. Place them on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Spread the vegetables out so they could cook evenly. Place the vegetables in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for about 30 to 40 minutes. Next, we'll start the base of the soup by dicing 1 medium onion and peeling and chopping 5 cloves of garlic. Make sure to save half a teaspoon of garlic for the butter. Wash 1/4 of a bunch of parsley, remove the stems and chop. Bring a pot to medium heat and add 1/4 of a cup of olive oil. Add your onions to the pot and stir. When your onions are about halfway cooked, add your garlic. If your onions and garlic are cooking too fast, you can add a bit of water to slow down the cooking. Next, we are going to add 1 tablespoon of chili flakes, which are optional, 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Keep stirring the onions and garlic till they are caramelized. Cook until they reach a similar color as shown. By this time, your veggies should be ready and they should look like this. In the pot, we are going to add 3 cups of veggie stock with no salt. After, we are going to take the pot off the heat and add the roasted vegetables. We are blending the ingredients using a stick blender, but you can use a stand-up blender. If you are using a stand-up blender, make sure the liquid is cooled down. Leave a bit of an air hole, cover with a towel, and blend. Put the pot back onto the heat and add 1 to 2 cups of water depending on your desired consistency. Bring it back to a simmer so it is ready to serve. Next, we are going to start our garlic toast. Cut your baguette into your desired thickness. Next, in a small bowl, add 2 tablespoons room temperature butter, 1 teaspoon garlic, 1 teaspoon parsley, and 1 pinch of salt. Mix the butter and spread generously onto one side of the sliced baguette. Bake in the oven for 7 to 10 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Thank you for your support and keep watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you.